Hello, welcome to South Today. I'm Sally Taylor. In tonight's programme,
Poole A&E.
Protesters lose their battle to stop plans to reorganise NHS services in Dorset. Campaigners fighting plans to reorganise emergency NHS care in Dorset have lost their latest legal challenge to try to stop the changes. They claim lives will be put at risk by longer 999 ambulance journeys if Bournemouth Hospital is made the county's only major trauma unit. However, the proposals are still being scrutinised separately by experts called in by the Health Secretary. James Ingham reports on today's hearing at the Court of Appeal.
Save Poole A&E. Save Poole A&E.
Around 20 people travelled from Dorset to the Royal Courts of Justice for today's hearing. Their message very clear. They want to save NHS services planned for closure. Many had personal experience of the difficulties accessing hospital from rural parts of the county, which they believe will get much worse under the proposed changes.
In 2016, my mum was left lying on the pavement in Swanage for 3.5 hours waiting for an ambulance, and she died 2 days later. And I'm very concerned that if we lose our A&E and maternity, more people are going to die as a result.
The Royal Bournemouth will become Dorset's main emergency hospital, with Poole focusing on planned treatment. Beds in smaller hospitals will be cut as more care is delivered from community hubs. Commissioners say this will improve patient care and save money. Defend Dorset NHS came here to appeal against an earlier High Court decision which had prevented them from pursuing a judicial review into the plans. In court today, they said that the clinical commissioning group's assertion that there'd be a minimal risk to patients from longer journeys was flawed. But after listening to their submissions, 3 judges dismissed their appeal.
I'm feeling pretty gutted. I think it's absolutely appalling. I think the judiciary are utterly failing to protect the population. I think they just care about protecting the establishment.
After Dorset's councils expressed their concerns about the NHS changes, the Health Secretary has asked an independent panel of experts for their advice. Campaigners are now pinning their hopes on this, hoping that the Health Secretary will ask for these plans to be reviewed. Either way, they say, their fight is not yet over. James Ingham, BBC South Today, at the Royal Courts of Justice.